Howdy partners, it's Alex and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a Western themed unboxing.
We don't normally go for a full theme thing, Alex, but we had three deliveries from three different manufacturers that had a bit of a theme throughout, a bit of a Western, a bit of a cowboy kind of vibe to it. So thought we'd break out the hat, break out the set pieces, and yeah, have ourselves a fun little unboxing.
Absolutely love my Western themes. First up, we have Western Warriors. Now this is a return.
Yes, we have seen these before, but a very cool one nonetheless.
All right, and this, as you can see, is the two halves forming the 1 ounce. So it's actually a divisible round.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. And for those asking, we do buy them back in halves as well.
Yes.
Because they are both stamped with the purity and the weight and what it is, the metal on it. So we do buy them back in the whole round or in the halves, as we have seen them previously come through.
Michael and I did a test in the last ones that came through. They do require a bit of wriggling back and forth to actually break off. It's not just as simple as, you know, quickly, easily coming apart in your hands, but it is definitely easier than trying to break apart an actual solid 1 ounce piece of silver. So,
all right, next up, oh, I love these. Next up we have the Pony Express bar.
some kilos.
Yes, actually beautiful. Oh, I love this. I'm actually a big fan of these ones. Look at that.
Very cool. So,
very cool.
Rider on horseback there, picking up some speed. A fairly simple, separate to that. But I'm not saying that is a bad thing, but a simple design for the rest of it.
No, I actually absolutely love this design. And for those of you that like playing along with Alex's ruin your logo themes.
Oh no, what are you about to say?
As soon as I saw this, all I could see is the Winchester logo.
Yes.
And I'm a big fan of Winchester as well. So yeah, I'm very happy to see these come through.
I could be corrected on this one, but I'm pretty sure that the manufacturers of them, Silvertown, might even have some origins in Winchester, the place. So that I'll double check myself, but that could be why.
Yeah, that's worth looking into. The other, and we got one more.
One more hiding in here in a similar kind of theme. It's not quite as cowboy as those two others, but still from an American. Wasn't intending to do that. It was a bit of a slip. Bit of an American theme as well. So.
And here we have some Scottsdale chunky 10 ounce bars.
Yes, they are actually called the 10 ounce chunkies, and a bit of a I think they call it the loaf kind of thing. We've seen that with the Perth Mint, like 5 and 10 ounce cast gold bars. They get that kind of classic loaf shape, and it's a very cool one.
Do you like these?
I do.
I do too. Yeah. I think they're dynamite. I was holding back for so long.
It wouldn't be an Alex video without at least one pun in there.
That's for all the dads out there.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, so yeah, a little bit of a Western variety. And then this is the, I'm still a big fan of these. I love my fractional silver, and that's a really cool dual design.
Very cool. All right, thank you very much, Alex, for stepping through and, and doing this unboxing. Having a bit of fun with it. Links will be down in the description for these ones and over on bullionnow.com.au. Thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the shop.